You coming through the tube? Yeah. Alright. I'll see you on the other side. What? I see your light. Hold on. Oh, yeah, I see you right there. Yeah, I see you. Yeah, I won't get through it. You won't? Alright. Do what? Right. Yeah. Turn your light on, dumbass. There you go. Alright, I gotta get some water. Why have we not seen any bats? Oh, okay. What happened to them? Really?
Thank you. Low Alpine.
Meso series.
For your fine product.
And Carhartt.
Yep. Longshoreman. Not designed for caving, but plenty enough tough enough for it.
What kind of boots you wearing?
Matterhorn. 10-inch combat tactical.
Nike. Levi's. Down Funky Island, South Carolina.
Got on the tried and true Hexel, Anchor, and Rock.
Yep. As do I.
And my new favorite lighting company, LED Linter. Exceptional warranty service. Mail me out a new light head and a battery for my troubles. So you can't beat that.
No, not at all. Let's see, Walmart, I'm tying your bag back together with a shoestring.
Outdoor product sucks, and their warranty forever is an outright lie. But I guess you get what you pay for. The boot strings have lasted longer than a zipper.
Yeah. The boot strings come off a pair of free boots. The gloves have lasted longer.
And that came 3 in a pack, or 4 in a pack.
Yeah, I got a hole in that one finally.
Yeah, I usually wear out a shirt.
Right.
4 in a pack, $3.
Right. Alright. Yeah, really.
Wow.
Look, the little kid hands.
Yeah, little faggot ass Boy Scout.
Yeah. It's kind of creepy though. Yeah, camping, get killed. This is where you die if you camp in a cave. There's a hole. I don't know, it's new. Yeah. Look at the white hands. What's in there? I know, everywhere. Okay, burp. Alright. What do you think? That's all it was, yeah. That's it. That's an exit right there.
Yeah,
that's that climb out. Yeah, climb up, inverted climb.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, it's kind of tough.
Yeah. Foggy right through here now. Yeah, we walked through here, I guess. You want to go back over towards the sand crawls? Go towards the art room and then go down towards the sand crawls, but not do the sand crawls. Just go back here to the breakdown room, whatever. Disaster room. Oh, that's slick. Yeah, it's cooling off back in here. It feels good. I was getting a little bit overheated. Yeah. I'm dripping sweat. Are they? Cool. Look at that. Layers and layers and layers. Yeah, it did. Right. Yeah, remember this used to be solid floor all the way across. See how cracked it is up under there, and then it's all right here washed up under that. One day that'll be another passage. Yeah, about that wide. Yep, washed all of it out. All this got washed out right here. So you can tell that's new washout. See how the rocks are still. Where at? Right. Get one come out of the art run. Yeah. If it's still there.
Didn't it go back in there and somebody tried to dig it out?
Yeah, we climbed back in there a long ways. It just kept getting tighter and tighter and tighter. Somebody put this here to step on and get out. Just when you need that extra little bit. Right. I about fell. That back through there is just kind of looped around, little crawls. Not really going nowhere. That was almost it. I was almost wet. Oh my God! Yeah, it was knee deep. I don't know. Right. But I'm wearing a helmet. Yeah. Like the Georgia Girl Guides.
They don't wear no helmets because we're hard at it.
Switch. Real slick. Yeah. Yeah, it is. Feel hair blowing too.